Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for the 17th of May. So things went pretty much according to plan. We're looking at Thursday being a bear day and firming up on Thursday afternoon and then pushing higher into Friday. And if Friday's closing is strong, Monday tends to follow through on that, and we start to get some profit taking early session on Tuesday morning, and then we start getting some swing days in the Wednesday and Thursday. So yeah, that was really happening for the US markets and also for the Euro markets as well, and we'll continue to see them push up to make new highs here. So just on the FTSE, and the others are quite similar as well. We can look at a 5-wave move up. So in this case, looking up between 7.2 and 7.3, making a new high. And we have wave 1 in place here, and we'll be continuing to move up there. We can move the stop up halfway now for all of these. Just reduce the risk by half. So if you're risking 1%, well then you're now at 0.5% for that. And we'll also look at the German DAX as well. So same thing here, a bit of a hardball sort of correction here, but we finally sort of came through, and I hope we're sort of done now. We're just battling with the old highs here. I'll go from the 4-hour chart to the 1-hour chart just to tune in somewhat here. So as you know, we're expecting that wave 4 to play out here, which it did, and once that had been done, we were looking for the medium level here, 15,000, to be breached. So you should be long at that point, and also building on top of group 1 as well. So the trading levels, 15,000 is a medium level, and then we have 1, 2 and 3 that make up group 1, and if we get support on group 1, well then it pushes to 5. So we've got that. We can expect another classic trading levels pattern to occur at 5, so that will be the arrival, the reaction that's occurring now, and the first high above the level, and then some type of ABC correction, and then you can look also to build long again in that space. So all pretty sort of simple moves really. We can just put one of those over there. We don't need 2 there, but I'll leave that up to you to do what you need to do. We'll need to put in a stop, so we'll just copy this here and turn that, paint the town red here, and then move that up. So this seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So we should be able to put that under here for that. So that locks us in there nicely for that. And we'll also look at the stock 50 as well, which is done exactly the same. Let me just find the EU 50, stock 50 here. Same thing occurring here as well, looking for a couple of long trades in this space as well. So with wave 4 being here, there'll be 5 waves in that wave 4 there. So we're just looking for a breach back above the 3.9 for that. We're looking for another one here, obviously, but I'll put that there, and then cleaning this up here. Also too, I just want to mention today that I've sent a message out that I'm loading the videos up to Vimeo, and then I load them onto TradingLounge, and they're kept private that way and so on. But the Vimeo one's not rendering the videos, it's rendering them, and then it just goes back to the beginning again and rendering over and over. So that's why I'm posting on YouTube and then just embedding it back in onto TradingLounge. So I'm sure Vimeo they're pretty good at getting these things fixed, so they should have that fixed by today sometime. So apologies about that, but it's just more important I get them up there rather than where they're posted and all the rest of it. So, but anyway, apologize for that, and let's move on. So yeah, let's just see. I mean, at the old highs here for stock 50, will probably be some problems there, and can certainly come back and test that large number there in that regard. So we'll just see how the third wave plays out in the next session as well. We'll get some sort of grip on that. I should be lifting these up 1 degree of structure on this one. Sorry about that. But I'll have to bring this back in line with the DAX as well, this one. So, but anyway, we'll just stay long for the time being on all of these. So no biggie. Should all be pretty sort of simple. See that follow through hopefully, and but make sure you get everything to break even at least, whatever you're doing. Alrighty. Yeah, that's the euro. It's all pretty straightforward. Okay. Cheers.